Interpreting the technical specifications for the Beckhoff EtherCAT terminal. EL3318. The EL3318 features 8 inputs. It is powered via the E-bus. Its resolution is 16-bit, adjustable. The EL3318 has an electrical isolation of 500 volts. The operational temperature range is -25 to 60 Celsius. The storage temperature range is -40 to 85 Celsius. The EL3318 weighs approximately 70 grams. It is made out of polycarbonate. It must be installed on 33 mm DIN rail with lock. The dimensions of this EtherCAT terminal are 12 mm by 100 mm by 68 mm. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all EtherCAT terminal sales and replacements.